Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck, where science meets investment, and I'm your host Raj. Friends, today we are going to explore why Altimmune's Pemvidutide phase 2b trial sparked a stock collapse despite meeting some key endpoints. By the end of this video, you will understand what the trial did and did not show, why fibrosis matters most in MASH treatment, whether the market overreacted, and what to watch next for investors holding or tracking Altimmune. These are the four objectives of the video. Now, pemvidutide shows strong MASH resolution and weight loss. Let's start with the good news first. Pemvidutide met one of its dual primary endpoints by demonstrating statistically significant MASH resolution without worsening fibrosis at both tested doses. Patients also experienced notable weight loss up to 6.2% in 24 weeks and meaningful liver fat reduction. In a crowded landscape of weight loss-focused MASH drugs, this is a strong showing on metabolic impact and inflammation control. Why fibrosis is the real benchmark in MASH development? Here's the problem. The trial failed to meet the fibrosis endpoint, specifically improvement in fibrosis without worsening MASH. Under the gold standard intent to treat analysis, this matters. Fibrosis or liver scarring is a major determinant of long-term liver damage and a key target for regulatory approval. While some secondary AI-assisted readings hinted at fibrosis benefit, the primary data didn't pass statistical muster. Altimmune's shares dropped over 60% in trading. That kind of sell-off reflects how critical the fibrosis signal is to investor confidence. Analysts at William Blair called the results underwhelming, saying weight loss wasn't clearly differentiated and the fibrosis miss undermines competitive positioning. That said, some like Jeffrey's Roger Song called the market's response excessive. He pointed out that strong resolution and metabolic benefits could still give the drug a path forward in phase 3. Now, the question is, what comes next? Altimmune will now face the tough task of planning a phase 3 trial that directly targets fibrosis with greater power and perhaps different endpoints. If future studies can confirm the AI-suggested fibrosis signal in a statistically sound way, pemvidutide might still emerge as a competitive player. But for now, the bar for investor confidence has risen. The new risk, the way I see it, is in crafting the phase 3 clinical trial strategy so that it can meet statistically significant, it can deliver statistically significant information to FDA for approval. Now, friends, I would like to take a pause out here and request you that if you find these deep dives valuable, please like and subscribe to ShareTreck. We are building a retail investor community that learns together. Now, coming back to the topic, this story highlights how 1 weak signal given in a sea of positive data can dominate the investment narrative in biotech, making it a very risky sector. I would like to hear from you. What is your take on Altimmune? Do you own these shares? Do you think this is an overreaction or fair punishment by the market? Drop in your views in the comment. I always read them. Now, friends, this brings me to an end of this video. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.